Hey, what's up? We're so excited for this video because we're starting a new series for car camping. This summer we're planning to road trip all around the United States, and so today is the day that we're gonna go get the materials
all the and stuff, and
we're building a platform for us to sleep on, and so it's our first video in this series and we're so pumped.
Y'all may have already seen our video in southern Utah camping where we just put down the seats and like laid out a pad there, and it was fun. But over the summer we're gonna be on like a longer road trip, a couple weeks, and so we want something like store stuff under and to sleep on that's more comfy.
Yeah, so Luke has like measured it all out. We're gonna get plywood and 2x4s. Is that like the
2x4s, some bolts and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, we're so excited because this summer is gonna be awesome. So
yeah,
we're gonna show you everything we get and the whole setup. So we hope you enjoy.
All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
All right, we're at Home Depot looking for the materials, looking for the plywood and the 2x4s. I am talking like I know what we're doing, but I don't really know. Luke and I have wanted to travel more together ever since we got married, but we're still in college, and so we're definitely on a budget. We have a goal to visit as many states as possible this summer, and after doing some research, we realized that car camping would be perfect for what we want to do, especially to save some money. So once we did some research, we went and did the measurements for our car, made the list of everything that we needed to buy, and we headed straight to the store because we were so excited to get started on our build.
I know nothing about woodworking, so this is an experience.
You're doing great.
Very basic.
Do you feel like a man?
Oh, yeah.
As you can probably tell, Luke and I have literally no experience building anything like this, and I thought it would be easier for me to just show you what we purchased rather than trying to explain it. So this is the plywood, but we ended up purchasing. It worked great, and we needed some 2x4s, and so we actually found some pre-cut wood that was just in like a bucket at the Home Depot, which worked great. And then we needed to find some drop pins, and these are the bolts that we ended up getting, but anything like this can work. It just depends on what your setup looks like. After we got the wood, we took it over to an employee to get it cut up, and it took him like 2 seconds to cut everything we needed to, and this would have taken Luke and I forever. Like, I don't even know how we would have cut this like they did. So that was really nice. Okay, so this was actually the hardest part of the whole trip. We were trying to figure out which bolts to buy to use as drop pins with our platform. Our idea is to have our platform split in half, and so we can stack the two long pieces on top of each other if we need to access the back seats, but then we can extend it and put the drop pins in when we want to lay down and use it as a bed. And so it took us a while, but we finally figured out which drop pins would work. We loaded everything up in our car, and we were just so excited to get started. All right, we got all of this stuff from Home Depot.
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Pumped.
And he measured it perfectly. We tested it. I'm so proud. I didn't doubt you for a second. Maybe I did for a second. I was like, we're gonna be screwed if this is cut wrong.
Speaking of screws, we were relying on my grandpa for some screws.
Oh yeah, that's true. And we couldn't find all of the
bolts of the right
bolts
size
that we needed.
So we assorted some of the different we did an assortment of bolts. So we'll see.
So now we're headed to his grandpa's house to use some of his tools. Alright, we'll update you in a sec. Thanks so much for watching episode 1 of our car camping series. The next episode is going to be us building the platform and putting everything together, and I'm so excited for y'all to see how everything turned out. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed while you're at it, like and comment so that you don't miss anything. But I'm going to be posting the next episode next week, so stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to go travel, sleep in your car, whatever it may be, because it's so doable. If Luke and I can do this, you definitely can. So let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer. But thanks so much again for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.
I feel so alive. As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out.